Hi, my name is Amy with WTI, and I'm very excited to find this formula by ZenMen. It's the H. Pylori Relief, and I was so blown away by all the care and detail that was put into this supplement. I want to share a few of those things with you. Now we know we all need probiotics for healthy digestion, but what I love about this is that it's formulated by a naturopathic doctor, and they really go the extra mile in adding things like green tea. There's cat's claw, which helps fight infections and boosts our immune system. There's also zinc, just to name a few. So this is what the capsule looks like. And it's just the average standard size, and it's very easy to swallow. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I have to say that I feel a significant difference in my digestion. I also noticed something surprising. I feel like it's lifted up my mood, so I'm feeling a little more positive than normal. I really think you should definitely try this, but that's just my point of view.